Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and it's time for our monthly roundup of what was the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine throughout January 2024. Now, things were looking positive, and GPU mining profitability were climbing up as we led into 2024. However, prices have fallen, and many GPU miners are left wondering, should they even consider it? Well, this series is supposed to help you make that decision. We take 6 RTX 3060s and put them against 6 RX 6600 XTs. Now, these are just mid-range GPUs. I chose the mid-range GPUs because they're kind of middle of the road, most budget option. The 6600 XT or 6600 and the 3060 non-TI are kind of middle of the pack, give you plenty of bang for your buck, and will get you up and running even if you only have a couple cards that you can grow from. And right now, at time of filming, if you had 6 3060s, you're only averaging around 22 cents a day profit. That's if your electricity is around 20 cents per kilowatt hour, which is the US average as of right now, and that could just get worse as time goes on. So we really need these coins to climb up in profitability, because as we move down, the profits, fall even further, and we start getting into the negative 15 cents, 30 cents, 36 cents, whatever it might be. On the AMD side of things, though, kind of the same story. With Alphium, we could be making around 27, 25 cents a day after the cost of electricity, but then as we go further down, negative 15 cents, negative 20 cents, so on and so forth. So many of these projects, people are mining because, well, they believe in the project. Now, what I mean by that is they have strong convictions in the project itself, the team, the development team, or the marketing team have sound fundamentals, or there might be somebody that they like, and they're seeing activity, growth, not only on their GitHub, but on their socials. They're constantly expanding into new exchanges, new areas, and their roadmap is something that they look forward to. So they believe in the project being around long term. However, that doesn't always turn out to be true. So I will always urge caution in light of various projects, especially when it comes to new projects that come out or just came out, and you're spec mining it, converting it directly into profits or whatever main currency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, whatever it might be. And of course, you can mine Bitcoin just without GPUs. Now, as far as the top 10 most profitable cryptocurrencies to mine throughout the month of January 2024, again, a lot of coins have switched around or have fallen off since it was starting to look good at the end of 2023. And the top 10 on Nvidia's side are Alphium, Carlson, Pyron, Conceal, Nikito, right? That's another one that was new towards the end of 2023 and climbed up. That was number 5. AI Power Grid, another new coin that kind of maintained. It wasn't consistently in the top 10 all 30 days, as you can see here from my chart, but it climbed up. Dynex pushing back up after it had fallen off the charts completely. Ironfish, another coin that has come back. F Society, Chlor, and you can see Xano, Muse AI, and Neuro AI. ProgPal type variants basically falling off, except for Muse AI, basically missing the top 10 by a few days here or there. Now, on the AMD side of things, Alphium, Carlson, Ironfish, Novo, Chlor, AI Power Grid, Meowcoin, Dynex, Conceal, believe it or not, and Neuro AI. Now, I take all of this data, and I'm using a number of different API calls from various mining calculators, not just hashrate.no, not just whattomine.com, CoinWars or CoinCalculator.io, whatever it might be. A lot of good websites out there. Hashrate.no gives you the best information for you to mine with as far as overclock settings and what's recommended to maintain the most efficient hash rate. But that isn't the only source of data that I use. Now, looking back at the AMD chart and comparing it against the Nvidia chart, there's only a few coins that if I had a mixed rig, both of Nvidia and AMD, what would I be focusing on? Well, if I'm focusing on profitability, Alphium looks pretty good. It's been consistently in the top 10. Carlson, while it has fallen off in late 2023, like the hype wore off, is still maintained on both sides of the coin, both Nvidia and AMD. A Pyron or Carlson would be one I consider. Obviously, Pyron did a lot better on the Nvidia side, whereas on the AMD side, it did not show up consistently or at all in the chart out of the top 13. So Carlson, Alphium, Ironfish, AI Power Grid, because we see them both. And the last one I would say is Dynex. Maybe Conceal. Yeah, no, Conceal was number 4 on Nvidia, but then it fell off on AMD. So it really just depends. And it's going to be up to you to decide what's best for your setup and your configuration, right? Everybody has different power settings, different environmental conditions, different thermal environment in which they need to operate, and everybody's GPUs performs a little bit differently. You can use others overclocks and settings as a baseline, but that doesn't always mean that is the best setup. Always do what's best for you, your budget, your cost, your everything. Just take the data that's presented in this video and use it to your advantage. But that's going to do it for this month, or January 2024, of what was the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine throughout this month. We do this every single month at the end, helping us draw conclusions on what projects we should be looking or consider mining for the future. And I really hope you appreciate this video. And if you do, do me a favor, hit the like button, make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one.